Today I'm going to show you how to install this baby monitor. So a stud, I use 1/8 inch just for the screw itself. If I was in the drywall, I would have to use the anchor. This is a drywall anchor. The screw would go into the drywall anchor if I was actually just in drywall. This takes a 1/4 inch drill bit. Then you basically just tap them in lightly with a hammer, and then you would put your screw in by hand. We don't need to use this because I'm going right where the stud is, right in the header above the window. Alright, so I already have holes here, but what you would do is make sure it's the right size. We're going to put the screw in next. I'm just going to put this in by hand. You just want a little gap, and the reason for that gap is the piece of plastic on the back of the monitor has to go over this and hang on it. So you only need like maybe 1/8 of an inch. Just something to grab onto. And while we're here, this is the button that you push to pair this camera with the monitor. If you want, pair it before you hang it. It's a little bit easier. Otherwise, it's not that big of a deal. We're going to put this part onto the screw, and then we're going to slide it up to that thin part. You want to have some distance between the ceiling and this so that you can get accurate temperature and other readings. Okay. So that sits pretty well. You may want to secure this wire. So right now I'm going to show you how to pair the camera. So basically I have to turn this on. So to pair this is this button down here with the 3 lines and the plus sign. We want to go over to the green camera. So we're going to hit this left, basically this bright symbol. I'm going to hit the middle button, say OK. We see that we don't have any cameras. I'm going to say OK. Now I got a pair, I'm going to push this button on the back. I'm going to push the button on the back here. So now it says it's paired. So now you can see that it's paired. Do we want to pan and tilt? So we'll come over here and we can go up and down. Make sure that we can see the entire bed. Okay. You can also, I can talk and then basically we can have a conversation. And let's say I was working outside, I can talk by pushing this button and we can talk back and forth. To turn this off, I'm just going to hit power button and you're going to see it go over. If you see it says green light up here, it means it's fully charged. If it was green plus red or any other colors up here, it's not fully charged. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day.